Hello, my name is Ian. I'm the service technician at Ecolawn, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a conveyor belt. First step, remove the long guard. Take off the mixer adjustment bolt on both sides of the machine and extract the bolts of the mixer supports on both sides as well. Withdraw the two mixer bolts and uninstall the mixer shafts and mixer supports from the mixer. Take out the long rod out of the lever. Remove the long flaps inside the hopper. Uninstall the 3 screws in front of the hopper. Remove the hopper. Take off the scraper. Withdraw the tensioner guard. Uninstall the tensioner arm and V-belts. Loosen the conveyor belt. Remove the rear roller. Take out the 2 bolts holding the conveyor belt bracket. Extract the flange bearing bolts and remove the disc deflector. Uninstall the front roller and the feed trap gate. Replace the conveyor belt. If it is a crescent top conveyor belt, make sure that the tips point towards the feed gate. Place the front roller. Make sure the bearing zerks are accessible. Install the flange bolts and the disc deflector. Tighten the top bolts first with a wedge between the roller and the feed trap support for the roller's proper spacing. The distance between the disc and the disc deflector is 1 13/16 of an inch. Insert the bolts for the conveyor bracket. Place the rear roller and the 4 bolts. Install the scraper. Position the rear roller's bearing flush to the edge of the shim and tighten the bolts. Place the V-belts, position the tensioner arm, fix the tensioner rod to the tensioner arm, and install the tensioner guard. Tighten the new conveyor belt to 5/8 of an inch on both sides. Note, adjust the conveyor belt at this step. See the video how to adjust the conveyor belt on an Eco 250. Once the conveyor belt is adjusted, place the hopper on the machine. Install the 3 screws in front of the hopper. Affix the flaps inside the hopper. The 2 longer bolts are at the extremities of the right-hand side flap. Position the mixer supports on each side. The shaft with the pulley must go on the right-hand side. Tighten the bolts lightly. Install the mixer. Place the V-belt in a figure 8. Insert the mixer adjustment bolts on both sides and tighten the adjustment to match on both sides. Tighten the mixer support bolts once the adjustment has been made. Install the long guard. Thank you for watching this video. If you require further technical assistance, do not hesitate to contact Ecolawn Applicator at the number or email shown on the screen. Before contacting us, have your serial number ready, and be sure to register your machine on our website. The warranty may be void if the machine is not registered.